Hello dear Scorpions, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Scorpions to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So let's begin with our reading dear Scorpions. And I have your cards here with me and they are telling me many different things. Yeah. So here are the cards. Three of Swords, the death card, and then the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so Scorpions, let's begin. You see, yeah. So to begin with, what I'm seeing here is you are being hurt emotionally. You are being hurt in by someone's words, by someone's actions. No, this is what is. Causing you more trouble. This is what is causing you more pain, and you are holding this pain within you, right? So Scorpions, in that case, if I guess this might have already happened in the last month, in the week, in the second or third week, third or fourth week of last month. If not so, this probably a smallest of the things might happen this month. Okay, not to worry. I mean, this is just a part of life, and we cannot stop things. But this is going to be a learning for you, Scorpions, that how far you should trust someone. It's not a betrayal, but yeah, it's an emotionally hurt, or you see you have depend on someone and things have not happened, or it can be an internal conflict also. It can be from the past. You might be able to recall, you might be recollecting something and you are feeling little sad about it. And yeah, these kind of things what I'm seeing here, that you are going to feel very deep. You see, you are going to feel very low, quite a low, this month. And but at the same time, I am also seeing that you will be able to overcome this situation. You will be able to heal yourself from this pain. Yeah, there are energies which are going to help you in doing that. So be positive, dear Scorpions. Don't just stick to these kind of negative, or these kind of draining energies, where just thinking about it, because past is past, which is already happened, and we cannot change that. So just be little positive about it. And I'm seeing there is a diversion in your thinking process. There is a diversion in your actions also, which is going to give you, put you in a secured space. Yeah. By saying secured space, I mean to say that where you have now, maybe you were dependent, or maybe you are emotionally attached, you're emotionally dependent on someone, and this is where now you have learned that this is not going to benefit you, and now are creating, you are going to be independent of others feelings. You are going to be independent of others actions, right? So this is where now I'm seeing that you are you are defending yourself. Yeah, you are defending yourself, and also you are creating that secured place for yourself. This is me. I'm not going to allow myself by getting by being hurt by someone, right? So this is very important, Scorpions, and this is such a nice card, such a nice energy. So more of learning this month. And yeah, I'm seeing that financially also you are going to feel somewhat secure. Okay, and but don't hold no don't hold your finances strongly. uh, Fine. See, unless and until we give something, we will not be able to receive something as well. So though you will gain the stability, but at the same time, don't hold them completely. Okay, and it's again the good time if you're planning for any investment, right? So this is a time, even the investments are possible. Okay, and yeah, more or less, I'm seeing that this is a learning period for you, dear Scorpions, and the diversion is going to play a very major role, which in the future also. So make most best use of it, Scorpions. Okay, and then I have your energy card with me. Adjacent possibilities. Wow. So you have probably, you see, this is a card which is showing me that yeah, you are being strict to something and you're not able to understand that there are other possibilities also, and this energy this month is going to bring you those adjacent possibilities. Maybe income from multiple sources, or maybe again some kind of if you are demanding some emotional support also, which is not happening this way, then maybe some emotional support from other sources, from different sources, not from the one thing, but diverse, different ways. So I am seeing there are possibilities opening up for you this month, uh, Scorpions. Yeah. And then I have your there is a card from the angels, there is a message from the angels for this month. Study progress. Yeah, this is such a lovely card, isn't it? I just read this message for you. We acknowledge you for the progress you have made in remembering love in your family, in your daily activities. Yeah, we can clearly see the contribution you are making to the world through your thoughts, feelings, and actions of love. So, your hard work, your progress, yeah, your contribution to others and to the world, it's already been noted, it's already been watched by the angels, by the world, by the almighty. So you don't have to worry, and this is now the time that you are going to be rewarded with it. You will be getting an opportunity to overcome the pain, to overcome, to heal yourself fully and evolve as a better person. So you will definitely find a progress, isn't it? You see, the energies are also saying the same thing. This month's energies are saying that there are possibilities coming in, and then there is a progress also that is already being sensed by our angels. So what a lovely, wonderful energy this month you have, dear Scorpions. Yeah. So make a most use of it, make the best use of it, and then definitely you will definitely find no diversions, or maybe you see, very often we feel this is the only way, this is the only thing that is left in my life. No, but see, sometimes there this is the time where life will open up to different possibilities, right? Different opportunities will be coming to you, where you might have not imagined it, right? You were not aware of it. I'm sorry for this disturbance. So you were not aware of these possibilities. Now this is the life. Now this is your life, which is opening into it. Okay. So I really wish you good luck. And before I wind up, dear Scorpions, I want you to please do comment. Please do share your honest review under this comment section, and in the comment section under this video. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining me here. I wish you good luck, and I see you again in the next one. Okay, till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.